Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a mood body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Brianamaccalip, and you're tuning into another hair tutorial. This hair tutorial is from Wet Kiss Hair, and this unit is gorgeous as well. Do you see the color in this wig? Do you see the lace? Most importantly, the lace, because everybody wants a lace that nobody can detect, and this one you can detect. I've been getting some very good wigs lately, and I am enjoying putting these wigs on, y'all. Yes, like behind the ear and everything. I just cut it so good, so right, and I just want y'all to get into me laying this wig down because like, y'all, I feel like I'm a wig master over here slaying these wigs with no baby hairs. Okay, at that, no baby hairs. Don't play with me. I have been enjoying the no baby hairs, and it looks so good. That's because I don't know how to do baby hair, so of course I am. I really want y'all to get into this video, so if y'all are coming in, of course y'all want to see it. Before y'all enter the video, don't forget to comment on this video and say that you was here watching it before you even watch the video, and as well as subscribe, y'all. But let me stop talking. If y'all want to see how I melted this down, then keep on watching. Brianamccalip, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Brianamccalip, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Brianamccalip. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Brianamccalip, and it is always a pleasure to welcome y'all back. But let's get into this hair. So this is Wet Kiss Hair, and of course they sent over some box of goodies. They sent the wig cap, a band for the wig, also a comb, which is the baby hair comb, some lashes, and also a bag to store the wig in. This is the wig, y'all, and it is so beautiful. It's like a two-tone blonde and black wig, but let's get into the details of the lace. Now, that lace is HD, and it is absolutely beautiful. This is a 13x4 wig, and it already came with curls, so you know what that means. This is not going to be a long tutorial because we're going to pop this wig right on. But the only thing is, you just need a little makeup in there. Let's get started. So I went ahead and put the cap on, and I didn't put the cap on that they provided because I wanted a more thicker cap. So I went ahead and just basically cut the ear tabs off and went to glue this down. This is some even lace glue, and I love it because it's like really sturdy and hefty that this isn't going anywhere. I don't have a blow dryer, so what I do is I like to use my fan that I already have, and I use that when it comes to doing my makeup. However, I used it in this sense because I don't have a blow dryer, of course. So once it dried, I did go ahead and cut the excess off, and also went in with some more of that even to lay those edges of the wig cap down. You always want to secure everything that you do. I'm noticing that, and I've been doing wigs for a long time, but you don't want anything to come up and start lifting. Once I laid that down, I did check to see how the wig looked, and it looked perfect. I went ahead and used my makeup shade. So my makeup tends to be a little bit darker than my skin tone because I like to bright highlight, and this was perfect for my ball cap method. So the same color that I used on this ball cap method, I did go ahead and use on the lace of the wig, and it just turned out perfectly, and it melted so nicely. That is the key, and that is how you're going to get your wig to look melted and look like skin. I went ahead and put it on, and yes, I did that because baby, I got it. Now I'm taking my Erica J Hold Me Down lace glue, and I'm going to put 2 coats on, but on camera you're going to see me put 1. So I did make a thick layer, and I mapped it out to where I want my wig to sit. I'm also noticing that as well, that when I do these frontal wigs, sometimes it could be too far back, and sometimes I do want to cover my forehead a little bit because I sometimes feel that it's a little bit too protruded. Okay, and I want to cover it up with my lace, so I did go ahead and put the wig a little bit forward, just a little bit, kind of away from my eyebrows, but not too close. I laid it down, y'all, and look at this melt.
unbelievable. I did not go back in and pluck the wig at all. I did not pluck the parts because I thought that this wig was made perfectly. I did not do none of that. And let me tell you, whoever is making this wig, Wet Kiss, whoever you have making this wig, snapped. Okay? Because literally, y'all are making it so easy for us to just put on and go nowadays. Like, nobody has time for all of that. And I love that y'all are making it so convenient for us. So I did go ahead and let that dry. And I know y'all see a little bit of glue right there, but I want to cut it off. And I cut it in 3 sections. But let me show y'all how this melted. And that's another thing too. Wait till everything dries before you start messing with it, because sometimes it could be messed up, but this one, it didn't mess up. And I also did, prior to letting it melt a little bit, go ahead and put some more even to make sure everything was melted in as well. That's another key tip. So while the lace is on, put more not the Erica J Homie glue down, put some spray. It got to be or even. But look how I'm cutting this, and look how it is literally looking like it is coming out my skin. I am no professional or anything of that nature, but let me tell y'all, this wig ate. Everything from Wet Kiss will be down in the description right below. Also go check out other wigs, but this one, it took the cake. It took the cake. And I did go ahead right here and add more gas to be on the tip of a comb and kind of like sealed the edges of this lace. Let me go do my makeup and I'm gonna come back. I went to put my makeup on, so now I'm about to just fluff out these curls. But look at the lace. It's giving. So I just want it wavy. And I think I'm gonna face frame the front. I'm just basically combing the curls out. I don't even know if I want to cut it, y'all. Yeah, I'm not cutting it. They already got it to where everything is just like flowing already. Like, this wig already came like this, y'all. Like, okay, y'all, when I say, for one, the color of this hair is everything. Like, I don't think I had a unit this color, because it's like, it's blonde, but it's like a, I don't know, I was gonna say gray blonde. It's everything. And for one, the lace melting in my skin like this is insane. So Wet Kiss hair did their thing when it came to this, but I really want to get into the specs of the hair. I think the reason why these wigs have been coming out so good is because these are HD lace wigs. I'm talking about real HD lace. I didn't really do anything to my hair, and I love the fact that I could just take this out the bag, put it on, and the curls is already there. The only thing that I have to do is like face frame if I wanted to, but I'm honestly not going to do anything of that nature and just leave the wig as it is. And if I want it styled or anything like that, I'll do that some other time. But I just love the fact that it already comes curled. This is a medium size cap, 13x4 lace, and this is a 22-inch wig. And when they say undetectable lace, they did not lie. And with the method that I did and that I'm doing, it's turning out super like melted. I'm going to leave the color and everything of that sort down in the description right below, as far as the link to this hair down there. But I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. And Wet Kiss hair snap when they sent this. Don't forget to go check out Wet Kiss hair in the description right below and tell them that B Marie sent you if you order from them. But until then, I'm gonna see y'all on my next tutorial.